Oh, hey guys, Abigail again from the Protect Our Breasts National Executive Board. Yeah, today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY organic hair mask. Hair masks are fun, hair masks are cool, and hair masks often can contain a chemical called formaldehyde. Sound bad for you? Yeah, well it is. Oh, you don't know what a carcinogen is? Here's a definition. Nevertheless, we all know how dry our hair can get as winter comes around, and we need something to save us from this treachery. Preferably something that does not contain formaldehyde. Well, we're in luck because all this recipe contains is 4 tablespoons of organic coconut oil and 4 tablespoons of organic honey. It's that simple. All you need to do is take those measurements of these ingredients, put them in a bowl, heat them up, mix them together, and apply it evenly throughout your hair. I'm not going to do that because I'm at school right now. But when you're in the comfort of your own home, do that, leave it in your hair for 20 minutes, rinse it out thoroughly, and enjoy your luscious locks.